In this video, I'm going to show you how to change slippage on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you want to do, either on your mobile device or on your Chrome extension over here, in case you're using this like me, you can just open up Phantom and then sign in with your password. And from here, if you would like to change slippage fees, you can just click on Swap over here. And once you do this, click on this kind of filter emoji or icon top right. And once you click on it, it says slippage. Now here, as you can see, it says if it's an auto, Phantom will find the lowest slippage for a successful swap. And what you can do is just disable this, and it will give you an option to basically change or set a custom slippage. So you can leave it on 0.5, 1%, 2%, or you can do custom and just enter however much slippage you would like. Or, of course, if you don't want to change this, you can just keep it on auto, and it's always basically gonna try to find the lowest slippage for a successful swap. After that, press confirm, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.